Hey everybody, and welcome to Python for Absolute Beginners. I am so glad you're about to invest in this course. Python is absolutely taking over the world right now, with the top tech companies investing in Python web development, APIs, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, VR, AR. Python is happening everywhere. Hi, I'm Eric Roby, and I'm the instructor for this course. So what are we going to cover in Python for the absolute beginners? Well, the first thing we're going to do is teach you how to install Python, set up your IDE, and then go over the absolute Python basics. For example, what's an integer? What's a string? Then we're going to deep dive into strings, functions, classes, and then we're going to get into data types, if and else statements, and then eventually break off into classes, object-oriented programming, where we're going to actually build our own grocery store application. But that's not it. We're going to learn about date and times, immutable objects, importing outside files, and the list goes on and on. I am so glad you're about to jump into Python for the absolute beginner so you can start your career as a new Python developer.